The history of Polish aviation begins here, in 1926. It was in the Warsaw Institute of Aviation where all Polish airframes were designed and tested. Today, the institute is open mainly to leading foreign industries. These include major worldwide companies such as General Electric, Airbus, Boeing, Rolls-Royce, MTU, Sikorsky, Pratt & Whitney. The main strategy of the Institute of Aviation is to provide services in the global research market. This means the highest level of competitiveness, guaranteed by experts, certified procedures, accredited laboratories, and a quality guarantee. For the last 5 years, the Institute has experienced a kind of prosperity. We invest on average about 30 billion Polish zlotys annually. This is investment in building new laboratories and new places of work. The Institute of Aviation deals with the design, construction and tests of the following: aircraft engines, landing gear, wings, instrumentation and the like. Other services of note are material tests, aerodynamic tests, aircraft noise tests, avionic tests, adaptronic tests. The services provided by the Institute are used in space technologies too. The Institute owes its strong position to its carefully selected staff, with a high level of expertise and commitment. The research teams consist of young, well-educated employees who combine their work on challenging projects with the continuous development of their scientific knowledge. The staff consists of more than 1,200 young and energetic employees who are provided with constant support by the Institute. They are encouraged to participate in various courses, training workshops and scientific conferences. These young people are realizing a certain definition of a researcher and scientist. It's their passion, their aim in life. Human resources policy is a management priority for the Institute of Aviation. Carried out according to the European Charter for Researchers and the Code of Conduct for the Recruitment of Researchers, it aims at obtaining, developing and retaining a team of efficient employees. Often, these people have achieved the highest qualifications, sometimes only possible for those in their 30s in other countries. We can be really proud of these people. One of the Institute's missions is to constantly popularize and promote specialist knowledge. Many scientific conferences, symposia and workshops are held here annually. The most important ones include the Polish-American Conference on Science and Technology, concerning engineer education, or the CONES Congress, which has been held annually for 30 years. Apart from extensive cooperation with major domestic research institutions, the Institute of Aviation cooperates closely with several hundred higher education institutions, scientific institutes, research centers, and laboratories in 5 continents. The Institute of Aviation is also a recognized member of many domestic and foreign organizations, where it aims at strengthening the position of the Polish research sector. The achievements of the Institute of Aviation include the implementation of a wide range of its own and international innovative research projects, carried out within such programs as the 7th Framework Program, or the operational program Innovative Economy for the years 2009 to 2013. The result of this activity is research on such projects as the turbojet engine, equipped with a detonation combustion chamber. Another project is the unmanned stratospheric aircraft Phoenix. Within the operational program, the Institute is also working on a new type of rotary wing aircraft. Since the very beginning of its operation, the Institute of Aviation has run the Science and Technology Library, which is recognized as the Central Aviation Library in Poland. There are about 80,000 books in the library of the Institute of Aviation. There is also a large collection of magazines, both Polish and international. We also have many from the USSR, and our oldest magazines are from the 19th century. Above all, we are open to our workers, but we also make our collection available to students, scientific workers, and all those with a passion for aviation.
Także udostępniamy nasze zbiory studentom, pracownikom naukowym i wszystkim pasjonatom lotnictwa.
Within the Institute of Aviation, there is also the Scientific Publications Division, which regularly edits and publishes articles and books written by leading Polish and foreign scientists. All this confirms that the Institute goes beyond its strategic goals. A good example is the All Poland program for promoting the engineer profession, the Age of Engineers. This program aims to popularize and increase the prestige of the engineering profession through increasing the number of people consciously choosing engineering studies. A continuous process of implementing technical innovations goes hand in hand with respect for tradition. One of the effects of such policies are scholarships for the best students, or the Institute's involvement in voluntary work on renovating vintage planes.